Dongfeng, the leading truck and bus manufacturer in China. Its products are widely used in key areas such as public transportation, logistics, and tourism, with a market presence not only across the country, but also in many countries and regions around the world. Dongfeng offers abundant options for customers, including electric buses, hydrogen fuel cell buses, and fuel-powered buses. Truck products including truck chassis cab, cargo truck, semi-tractor, special purpose vehicle, off-road vehicle, etc., to meet the needs of different customers.
Hi everyone, this is Leo from DFMSV. In this video, I will introduce
Dongfeng Special Vehicle EQ5040XLCTFCEV1 cargo truck. It is a hydrogen fuel cell truck produced by Dongfeng Special Vehicle Company Limited. Suitable for urban green delivery, intercity short and medium distance freight transportation, etc.
the overall dimension of DFMSV
EQ5040XLCTFCEV1 cargo truck is 5,995 mm by 2,190 mm by 3,060 mm. The wheelbase is 3,360 mm, and the front and rear track widths are 1,750 mm and 1,596 mm respectively. The maximum gross vehicle weight is 4,495 kg. DFMSV EQ5040XLCTFCEV1 cargo truck comes with standard Dongfeng Dana axle. Features a front axle rated for 2.2 tons and a rear axle rated for 4.5 tons. The rated power of the DFMSV EQ5040XLCTFCEV1 cargo truck is 70 kilowatts. The rated torque is 180 Newton meters. The peak power of the motor is 140 kilowatts and corresponding peak torque of 420 Newton meters. DFMSV EQ5040XLCTFCEV1 cargo truck adopts 82.12 kWh battery from CATL. The fuel cell has a rated power of 80 kilowatts, providing ample power. The vehicle adopts a self-developed intelligent vehicle control unit, which coordinates the energy of the three terminals of fuel electricity, power electricity, drive electricity in real time, intelligently switches the power mode according to the load or road conditions, has strong and stable power performance, and reliable electrical sealing, achieving the IP68 protection level. DFMSV EQ5040XLCTFCEV1 cargo truck,
equipped with safety systems like ABS,
air brakes, and comfort amenities such as dual-zone air conditioning, enhancing safety and ride experience. It comes with a spacious interior, ensuring passenger comfort. As the official distributor of Dongfeng Special Vehicle, DFMSV can provide customized services to meet the diverse demands of our customers. From Dongfeng Cummins engine to Dongfeng Dana axle, from transfer case to independent axle, from complete chassis to complete truck and bus. We are flexible with different types of cooperation based on different product changes.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact DFMSV at any time.
For more details about our company, products and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.DFMSV.com.